Welcome to 120 Emory Lane. This cute 3-bedroom, 2 full bath brick home with a covered front porch, hardwood floors inside, fenced backyard with a carport. Is in the Harbison area of Columbia, near Harbison Boulevard, actually right up this way. Emory Lane turns into Harbison Boulevard once it crosses St. Andrews, and it's also near to Irmo High School, which is to the rear. You can see their football stadium there. And the house itself is on a nice sized corner lot. So we're out front. You can see there's no parking or driveway on the front of the home. You access that on the right side, and then you pull off the street into parking in basically in the backyard, and it has a carport, but you'll see that from the back. We have a covered front porch as you enter. There's a porch swing here as well. We'll step in to the sort of formal living room area of the home. So you have real hardwood floors that start here in this room. They continue throughout, I believe, the hallway and the bedrooms of the house also. There's some different flooring in other areas. But this room off of the entry has a ceiling fan, has a wall of built-ins here, looking out towards the front as well. And then this leads to our bedrooms on this side, but first we're going to go to the right and take a look at the main living area. So to the right you have sort of an open floor plan, dining and living room, family room, and then on the left here there is the kitchen. The kitchen has some laminate wood floors, gray countertops, white cabinets, and appliances. There is a refrigerator, dishwasher, and electric range. And then you have a shelf above the window here in the kitchen sink that looks out towards the backyard. Nice neutral paint colors in here also. Ceiling fan in this room as well as crown molding. And then you see it's open to the family room here also. You have ceiling fans in both of those. Access to the backyard is there. But on this side, before we go out, we'll take a quick look. You just have access to the laundry area. So it's sort of a utility and storage space. You have some built-in cabinets against the walls there. And some board where you can hang things as well. Washer and dryer connections over to the right side here. And then on the opposite side, out back, you do have a nice screened in back porch area as well. So you sort of step down to a patio, which is bricked and screened in. You have some ceiling fans also out here. And that looks out into the backyard itself. You have some parking here under this large carport, so 2 vehicles can fit underneath there. And this is where the driveway also enters, and then you see just the rest of the backyard also. There is a shed in the back corner. It's locked at the time of the video, so I'm not sure if there's items inside or if you would be able to put yours inside, but it is there on the property. And now back inside, we'll take a look at those bedrooms and bathrooms down the hall. So you have an attic pull down here as well. The bathroom has what looks like original tile floors and showers, so there's a tub and shower in here, and a single vanity, medicine cabinet, and a nice window there. So a nice bright bathroom. Then you have 3 bedrooms. Here's one of those 3. 2 of these face the front, and then one faces the rear. You can see the closet here. There's another door behind that room door that closes that off as well. Pretty similar to the one we're looking at right now. There's a hall closet for coats and other storage, and a linen closet right across the hall from it. And then you have your second bedroom. So the second and third bedroom, the non-masters, those face the front of the house. You can see the closet in the corner there. This one seems like it's a little bit bigger than the last. And ceiling fans in all these rooms, including the master, which is last but not least. This one faces the backyard, and you can see he has a nice sized closet there. and also has its own full bathroom, so you can see more what looks like original tile, and a shower, which is a nice size for the area when the home was built, and a single vanity medicine cabinet and a window there on that wall as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, it's near Irmo High School, basically on the same street as Harbison Boulevard. It just turns into Harbison as you're crossing St. Andrews, but it's also convenient to I-26 and I-20, Lake Murray, and other area amenities as well. But again, the address is 120 Emory Lane. You can find out more information by visiting turnerproperties.com.